No one tells you about it because it doesn't sell courses. But almost every entrepreneur hits it, the wall. It's that moment where the strategy that built your business starts feeling like a cage. You were moving fast, and then the gears started to grind. If you feel like nothing is working anymore, you aren't failing. You've just reached the limit of the version of yourself that started your business. You thought you were different, that you had the grit to bypass the plateau. But none of that excludes you from the inevitable transition that happens when your business growth outpaces your identity. Let's look at why you're actually hitting the wall. Number one, the founder trap, or scrappy versus scaled. In the beginning, your yes was your superpower. You did everything, but now that yes is a bottleneck. You're trying to manage a skyscraper with the tools you used to build a shed. You're stuck because you're still the builder in a company that desperately needs an architect. Number two, the expertise paradox. The more you know, the harder it is to move. It shows up as expertise paralysis. You see 50 ways a project could fail. So you analyze the data until momentum dies. You're trying to outsmart the risk. The problem is, data is a tool, not a replacement for your judgment. You're waiting for the data to give you a guarantee that isn't coming. Number three, the identity divorce. This is the part you'd prefer to keep quiet. You've built a business you'd never want to work for. Your calendar is filled with operator tasks that drain you, while your real strength, the visionary side, is reluctantly idling. You're redlining your engine on tasks that don't belong on your desk. And you're wondering why. You're exhausted. Number four, the noise siphon. More growth equals more noise. More people, more tech, more best practices shouted at you day in and day out. If you don't have a decision-making framework, the noise will eventually drown out your voice and your direction. You're stuck because you're listening to everyone else's blueprint instead of following your own. Number five, the crack in the foundation. You laid the foundation, set clear outcomes and corresponding systems for every aspect of your business. However, an increase in sales has uncovered some unforeseeable cracks in that foundation. You can't pivot fast enough. You're exhausted. You've done everything you know how. when you should be calling an expert to help you stabilize. You're trying to patch a blowout with a scrappy mindset that no longer gets the job done. Getting stuck isn't a problem. It's actually a stage, a sign that your current operating system has reached its capacity. The danger isn't in being stuck. It's misdiagnosing the why. If you try to solve an identity problem with a marketing tactic, you'll be in the same place 6 months from now, redlining your engine against the wall. This isn't about working harder. It's about getting you and your business back into alignment. If you're misdiagnosing the moment, it will cause you to try to fix the wrong thing. Being stuck isn't a failure, it's a sign. But staying stuck is a choice you can't afford. Action creates clarity. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels while you're up against the wall, then maybe it's time to look at the operator and not just the blueprint. If this found you today and you'd like to explore what to do next, take the Decision Reset Assessment. It's a 10-minute assessment to help you see where your identity and your business stop aligning. Stop fixing the wrong thing. The link is in the description below. And if you're feeling the pressure of day-to-day business, watch the next video. You'll find that the root of that pressure is a sign of something much deeper and is definitely not what you think.